You guys got a second? No, all right, sorry to bother you, man. Take care. Excuse me, do y'all have a second? Brian Urlacher here with Restore Hair. I'm here in Chicago trying to get my petition signed to change O'Hare Airport to O'Hare Airport, the way it should be. So, how do you spell hair?
Oh my God.
Yeah, how would you spell hair?
What's up, big man?
How would you spell hair?
H-A-I-R.
Okay. Why does O'Hare spell it that way then? So O'Hare spelled, we were to change it to this.
It's like a rabbit.
Yeah, but why is it spelled that way? How'd you recognize me, bro? I got my hat on, my glasses on.
I mean, I'll sign it for you.
Thank you so much.
You know who that is, right? No. Are you serious?
It's okay, it's
Let
good.
them figure this out.
Yeah, we'll see
You
if
know
we
who that
figure.
is?
It's okay, it's good. I like this. You don't want to sign my petition? You won't be liable for anything. So I'm trying to get O'Hare Airport changed to O'Hare Airport. Spelled the right way, H-A-I-R. Bears jersey. Who's number one? Is that the kicker? Is that Edinger?
Oh, come on,
Number
man.
one.
You don't know who that is?
Fields. Well, when I was a Bears fan, it was Paul Edinger. He was a kicker.
Oh.
Remember him back in the day?
Yeah.
He was good. And then they got rid of him. Thanks for your autograph. I appreciate it. O'Hare to O'Hare. Does that make sense? It should be O'Hare, right?
Brian Urlacher.
I am, but shouldn't we get it changed though?
Oh my God.
You've seen the billboards, right?
That's
How'd you recognize me? I have a hat on. I have my sweet glasses on. I know. But the hair does look good. I'm not gonna lie, the hair is great. I agree.
Wow, it
Yeah.
looks super natural.
Thank you. It's just spelled wrong. That's why I was trying to get it
Okay,
changed.
that's fine.
You don't care? Okay. Thank you. Oh, they're running from me. They're running from me. They see me coming and they're running.
Is that already how it's spelled?
It should be. I agree, but it's not. Right? You guys want to sign my petition? Do you think it's a good idea?
I'll have to think about it.
I'm just trying.
My hair's falling out until I get my hair.
You got a full head of hair, bro. You look great. All right, if you guys change your mind, I might be milling around here.
We'll be out maybe on the way back.
All right, man. I'll just wait for you. H-A-I-R, the way it should be spelled. That's all. Just trying to get the name changed. Oh, I love it. Thank you. Where y'all from?
Indiana.
Are y'all Bears fans or Indy fans?
Bears fan.
Oh, really? Oh, nice.
I recognize you.
You recognize me? Who am I?
That's your Brian.
Oh, yes, sir. Good. No. Yes, finally someone recognized me. Thank you. I love it. No, sorry, I'm not listening to you. Yes, sir. Good job. Yeah, we're trying to get that changed to the right way.
Why?
Because it makes more sense. Are you a Bears fan? You got the Bears orange on.
No.
This happened today? Gotcha. But don't you think it sounds better? It looks better?
You're really pissed me off, and I think I'm gonna beat you up,
I like
man.
let's I like to see you try. How you doing?
Good.
Do you want to sign now? Not too late. You missed your opportunity.
Glad I didn't have to beat you up.
Yeah, me too. Excuse me. How are y'all? Do you mind taking a peek at my? No. Do you have a second? No. Okay. Thank you. Oh, how do you spell hair? So why is O'Hare spelled that way then? It should be spelled O'Hare, right?
Yeah, but I've seen the ads before. Are you actually Brian Urlacher?
Yeah. I am.
Really?
You ignore me, bro.
I did double take.
I know you did. I saw you. Will you sign it? Will you sign it anyway?
Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Oh, what happened, man? You changed your mind all of a sudden?
No, I got filled in on who you are. I feel terrible.
I'm nobody. You shot me down. I like your shirt though.
I know.
That's okay, man.
Packer guys.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys
That's
are
so awesome.
you
I
guys
remember-
are in for it now.
Yeah.
Aaron's gone.
I know.
You're done.
So how's retired life?
I love it, man. It's
Yeah.
good. Yeah, it's been
Let's see
good.
your hair that you got
Oh,
recently.
it's thick as heck. Yeah, love it. It's fun.
Man, it's
Yeah,
good, eh?
it's been good.
Man, it's so cool to meet a pro football player. Huh?
X Pro.
Yeah.
This sounds better, right?
Yeah, it sounds better.
I mean, it basically sounds the same, but it's spelled better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Would you sign it for me?
Sure, I'll sign it.
Thanks, man. I
Take a
appreciate
picture
it.
of my son.
What for?
What's that?
You got me. You nailed me.
If I was in charge, it would be automatic.
You would automatically O'Hare
A-I.
the correct way. I concur. Yeah. Who told you about my petition?
Oh,
Who ratted me out?
I'm a Bear fan.
How are you? Brian, nice to meet you. How are you?
Meet you.
I'm trying to get O'Hare changed to O'Hare. Yes, sir. Thank you. No, I'm just the guy trying to get a petition signed.
What's your
Well, I'm trying to get O'Hare changed to O'Hare. Doesn't that make sense, bro? Just trying to get O'Hare changed to O'Hare.
I mean,
It makes sense, doesn't it? You guys are bald too? I used to be bald too. I got my hair fixed.
You must not be that big.
she's a Green Bay fan. Wait till they figure this
That's
out.
okay, I don't play
I'm
anymore.
not saying it till you guys figure
Well,
it out.
yeah, you know,
Football
I mean,
player?
I used to be, yeah.
I
That's
can
okay.
probably throw a football further than you.
That's good because I didn't play quarterback.
Where did you play?
Defense.
Defense? Oh,
Yeah.
I could totally tackle you more.
For sure. Well, I didn't get tackled either.
He did the tackling.
God, you're striking out left and right, lady. Got a good amount of signatures today for Restore to name O'Hair, O-H-A-I-R, the way it should be spelled. Subscribe down below if you want to see more content like this.